What if I told you that the $100 you just spent on a carry-on bag was completely unnecessary? Airlines are making billions from baggage fees, but there is a loophole they don't want you to master: the personal item. Most travelers think a personal item is just a small purse, but with the right strategy, it can be your entire suitcase. In this video, we are breaking down the exact science of traveling for weeks with nothing but a bag that fits under the seat. We will cover the specific dimensions for major carriers like Spirit and United, and I will show you a packing method that doubles your internal space. If you're tired of being nickel and dimed at the gate, stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you will never pay for a checked bag again. Let's dive into the rules and save you money. The secret to fitting a week's worth of clothes into a tiny space isn't folding, it is engineering. Traditional folding creates air pockets that waste up to 40% of your bag's volume. Instead, we use the bundle packing method, or the Ranger roll. To Ranger roll, you lay a garment flat, fold the bottom inside out to create a cuff, fold the sides inward, and roll it as tightly as possible into a burrito shape. This compresses the fabric and prevents wrinkles. For the bundle method, you wrap your clothes around a central core of soft items like socks. This tension keeps everything compact and flat. Focus on a capsule wardrobe. Choose fabrics like merino wool or synthetics that are thin and can be worn multiple times without smelling. By prioritizing multifunctional layers over bulky individual outfits, you can easily fit 5 days of clothing into a standard backpack. Not all bags are created equal. To maximize your personal item, you need a bag that matches the specific dimensions of the strictest airlines. For most U.S. budget carriers, that limit is 18 by 14 by 8 inches. Avoid hard-shell suitcases. They have heavy wheels and rigid frames that steal precious cubic inches and often won't squeeze into the gate agent sizer. Instead, look for a soft-sided, rectangular backpack. These are flexible, allowing you to stuff them to the limit while still being able to compress them into the metal bin if challenged. Look for bags with clamshell openings, which open like a suitcase for easy access. Remember, the weight limit is rarely checked for personal items, but the physical size is. If your bag looks overstuffed, you are a target for a gate check. Keep your heavy electronics in an easily accessible outer pocket to speed through security without disrupting your compartment. If you are still struggling to fit everything, it is time to use the oldest trick in the book: wear your luggage. Your body is essentially a free cargo ship. Wear your heaviest shoes, your bulkiest jacket, and your thickest jeans onto the plane. You can even use a technical travel vest with deep pockets to carry chargers, power banks, and even a tablet. Some travelers use the pillowcase hack, where they fill a zippered pillowcase with soft clothing and carry it on as a comfort item. While many airlines allow this, be aware that some are starting to crack down. A safer bet is the duty-free bag strategy. In many airports, items purchased after security don't count toward your bag limit. If you have a small overflow, placing it inside a shopping bag from an airport store can sometimes bypass gate agents. The most reliable method remains layering your clothing during boarding. Before you head to the airport, there is one final step: the home test. Use a measuring tape to verify your bag's dimensions when fully packed. If it bulges past 8 inches, you risk a $50 fine at the gate. Always check the specific airline's website 24 hours before departure, as policies can change without notice. Remember, the goal of personal item-only travel is freedom. You skip the check-in lines, you skip the baggage carousel, and you never have to worry about the airline losing your belongings. It takes discipline to leave that extra pair of shoes behind, but the savings and mobility are worth it. You are now equipped to beat the airlines at their own game. If you found these packing strategies helpful and want to see more travel hacks that save you money, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for weekly updates. Safe travels and enjoy your journey.